Hi friends, I have seen and came across many who finds difficulty to draft and deliver the speech. They say no to deliver speech due to their stage fear. I thought that I can give some tips to these people on how to draft the speech and how to overcome the stage fear for delivering the speech. I will also give links to specimen speeches delivered for your reference. So friends, let us begin the journey. Friends, we will begin with our today's topic, how to write or prepare a speech. Firstly, choose a topic relevant to the occasion or a function. Study the audience who will attend the gathering or the function. Whether audience would be students, working professionals, engineers, doctors, lawyers, or there are some illiterates, etc. Knowing more about your audience will help to reduce the stress level regarding your speech. Furthermore, it will make you feel as if you are not standing in front of strangers, but a group of people that share the same interest. Depending on the type of audience, think and forecast what would be the subtopics of your audience interest. Check the duration for which you have to speak. Check the timings of the day during which you will deliver the speech, whether it will be at the beginning of the function or whether it will be before the lunch or after the lunch when people feel sleepy for a midday nap. Now we start with writing our speech. But how to start? Okay. Say, begin with an interesting question or story or a puzzle. Now this will help to take the audience focus off you and into what you are asking them to place their attention on. It will get the audience thinking of another thing, then using those first moments of your speech to judge you. Now suppose the duration of your speech may be 1 hour, and if the audience which you forecast may like only 30 minutes talk, then initially you should deliver your big idea or proposition during the first few minutes of your speech. Then you can add few minutes of some humor, etc. to make them like your speech. And end few minutes you can keep them busy by having some sort of interaction by which they will remain connected with you. Depending on the type of audience, prepare the kind of speech you will deliver. Example, entertaining, educational, or inspirational, etc. List down the subtopics and arrange them in such a way that the flow of your speech should begin with address to the people sitting on the desk, including the chief guest, then focus on the subtopic related to function or occasion, then to the other least important subtopics, and then to something to remain connected or interaction with your audience, and then expressing gratitude or thanks for listening your speech. Now another way to grab your audience attention early on is by stating the order of your talking points, by which you will provide an overview of what presentation will be like and what it will cover. You can also use inspiring quotes from Oscar's acceptance speeches. You have to end the speech with the highest ranked subtopic of your speech. So it is better to start with writing the end part, which will keep you connected with your audience in future. Example, this can be the takeaway message or message which will make them to come to you for their requirement, like joining as member in your professional organization or to visit you for their work to your office, etc. After you prepare a speech, you should able to deliver the same by speaking in front of the public, which is a nightmare for many. Fear of public speaking is next to fear of death. Most will feel nervous. They may find themselves trembling, sweating, and racing heart. Fear comes in mind as you think that you might make a mistake during the speech, to which the audience will laugh and you will be ridiculed. You are not the only one going through stage fear. You can be sure about that and see how others overcome it. The audience is very important, hence you need to tell them what they want to hear. It's important that you need to practice to improve skills in public speaking, because more you practice, more you realize that your fear is not true. Practicing in front of mirror is not advisable, as the mirror will not laugh at you or point out your mistakes. It's better to speak in front of small group of people, which will help build up your public speaking confidence. Honest feedback is crucial to understand your mistakes and become a better speaker. Audience judge your speech on the basis of your confidence in delivering and not very much on fluency or accent. To improve your fluency or accent, try to listen videos on the internet and practice. One more tip I can suggest is to advise your friend to video shoot your speech on your mobile, and then after the function you can view your speech and figure out yourself the mistakes and check the area where improvement is required. Check each word that comes out of your mouth. See how fast or slow you are speaking. Watch your body language and how you are using your hands to address the audience. Know every word of your speech. Make it your own. Make it unique. Improve your tone of voice in certain parts of speech. Do not practice in front of your family, as they would not give you their honest feedback. At the end, get the feedback from the audience. No issue if the feedback is positive or negative. Take every feedback as constructive criticism and correct it in your future speeches. Some leaders are orators. Observe them during their speech delivery. Give time to practice and perfect it. Hope this will help you to be a good speaker. So for such interesting videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for latest video updates and notifications. Thank you for watching.